Alright, you guys clicked on the video, so you know what the title says. Let's unbox this product and show you guys what we're working with. Alright, that should be everything. So this is what we got here. We got the Kawasaki green touch-up pen here. That's your paint code if you guys care to know. There's this company calls it, this is like another version of the code. The actual color code is going to be 777, I believe. There's two different ones actually. Earlier models have a different color, slightly different I guess, and then the newer Kawasaki's have a different color. So this one I believe is 777. And then this is our clear coat pin. So that's just to put on top for clear coats. And this is the company, Touch Up Direct. Let's see, there's some little info here on how to do it. We got some other products as well. This just looks like maybe something to clean the area with, or who knows? I have no clue what this is. Probably should read. Yeah, okay, it's just a glove. For some reason they just gave us a glove, but alright. So that's everything, guys. I'm going to show you guys the process. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be touching up as well. Alright, so this is our damaged area here. Don't ask me how it got here. I have no clue, but there's a chip right here on the very top of the tank. So, let's see. I don't have there we go. So yeah, we got that chip right there. As you can see, it's all the way down to the bare metal. And can't have that, so let's get it fixed. So first things first, I'm just wiping it down with a microfiber cloth, making sure there's no dirt around the area. You could use isopropyl alcohol as well, so that's what I might do as well. But this just happened. There shouldn't be any troubles here. So in the this company here, they want you to buy the primer, the color, and the clear coat. And for that little bitty speck there, I'm not about to shell out 30 bucks a piece for all of those things each, so that'd be like $120. I mean, that's the right way, but I got ourselves the color and the clear coat. I'm thinking that's gonna be just fine. So here's some instructions here if you guys want to reference that. Well, that's just the test card referencing. They want to make sure it's the right color before you throw it on there. That's our green. Before, there's no clear coat on that, so it might look slightly different. Also, I got a yellow light up here that's throwing all the colors slightly off, so try not to reference this video specifically for what yours is going to look like. But let's get started here. Alright guys, so this is the first try here. I have no idea what to expect, and I'm going to try and just get this in here perfectly. So, first things first, throw a little bitty blob on there. Oh yeah. Alright. Almost got it perfect. There we go. Alright, we're calling that good. That's all this pin did. This will do 1,000 of those if you want it to. We're going to let that dry, and then we're going to throw the clear coat on top of it. Alright guys, so from this angle, you can't even tell where it's at. It's right there, can't even see it. But there's a small spot just because I haven't put the clear coat on, so it's looking a little different, plus the paint's wet. Other than that, it looks 1,000 times better. I'm going to probably add maybe an extra coat or two just to try and get it level with the current paint, because right now it's a little divot, and I'm sure we need an extra layer on there anyways. All right, so I'm gonna add one last green touch-up paint. I'm gonna try and make it a little thicker this time, just so it fills up this hole that I've been trying to work on. So let's see how that goes. All right. And that time, hopefully, will be the last time we use the green. It's looking like it's pretty level now, and then I'm going to top it off with clear coat. Then I'll show you guys what that looks like. So right now, it's pretty good. Can't really notice it, especially in the dark. But yeah, again, this company is called Touch Up Direct. There's also one more company that looks like they do a pretty good job. This is about, honestly, I can't quite remember. I think it's like $17 a pin, or like closer to $20 a pin. The whole kit here was about $37. And yep, just waiting on that to dry, and we're going to use the clear coat. Hey guys, I'm coming at you via post-editing. And I just wanted to leave this little blooper here and show you guys that with any DIY project that there's going to be a little bit of trial and error, especially because everybody, including you guys, is probably your first time doing, things like touching up your tank, with a clear coat pin. So as you can see in the video, I get too big of a bead on this edge of the pin, and I kind of missed the whole problem area itself. And so I need to wipe this clean, and it just kind of turns into a mess. So I was just letting you guys know that, it's no big deal. So if it happens to you, just clean it up best as possible. And you might have to restart if the affected area gets, lint or any type of microfiber cloth hairs in it or anything. But for me, I just got it cleaned up. It was fairly easy. Just make sure it doesn't dry on there. And restart, and you should be good to go, guys. I would recommend doing multiple layers of the paint and letting it dry completely for hours or so the clear coat will go on and not mess it up at all. Other than that, it looks pretty all right. Not perfect, but not as bad as what it was before, so I'm happy. The paint only costs like $30, so. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on another one.